Hey guys, Jess Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our beautiful new listing. This one is 5 Angela's Way in Burlington, Connecticut. This is a beautiful property with gorgeous sunset views. They've got an amazing composite deck that overlooks a beautiful little koi pond and paver patio, perfect for your fire pit as you catch the sunset and toast your s'mores. I love this house with this great open floor plan. You're not going to want to miss it. It's hitting the market in just a few days. These sellers are so sad to go, but everything has been done. There has been tons of custom upgrades, from the detailed woodwork throughout the home to the detailed glass tile and beautiful tumbled marble tile throughout. Look at the coziness of this propane fireplace, all propane heat, central air, heated garage, which is great. The basement is all insulated and walkout, not finished, but potential to finish that basement as well. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. The master is huge. It has 2 great closets that are both walk-in with an ensuite bath, double sinks, soaking tub that overlooks the amazing sunset. So it's just the perfect place to come home and relax. And you've got this great cherry kitchen, all with custom cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless appliances, tumbled marble backsplash. The sunset's gonna come out there pretty soon as well. A great dining room, perfect for entertaining. This is the eat-in kitchen area. And behind me, you'll find the dining room with the perfect cherry inlay floors. I just love this. It's so cozy. They've also got the great sitting room out front as well. And you know, this one is priced to move. These sellers say sell. They're sad they have to go, but this one could be your opportunity to be in one of Connecticut's best small towns, close to the Nassahegan Trail. If you like to mountain bike or hike, you can do that. Close to Unionville and Farmington for great biking and hiking trails, the Farmington River Trail. And you've got so many fun things to do, so many restaurants and wineries and golf clubs. Come on down, you're not gonna wanna miss it. Give us a call at 860-325-2484 or visit us on our website at starrealtygroup.com. Central air, surround sound, you name it. It's here. We can't wait to help you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.